Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is several requests I've had in for a song called Hell or High Water by Bryan. So I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as Bryan. And for this tutorial I'm actually going to play along with him for the first intro, first verse and first chorus, then I'll break it down and show you how I played it all, okay, and you'll be good to go. So here we go. Just pushing back to the beginning, and here we go.
Weather's there, I'll take all of her up, prove to her that all her dirt ain't worth half a doubt. She'll say, hell or high water, I'll love you just the same. Bring the thunder, watch the sunset, drown me in the rain. I'll say, hell or high water, you're the one I want. When the flood seeps in and the fire rises, we'll show them what they see. High water or hell, damn what comes tomorrow. I'll give you all the love God's given me to borrow.
And so on, there we have it, into another verse, okay? Right, so basically the introduction is basically E minor 7th. I'm playing it like an E minor, but I'm also fretting the 3rd fret of the 1st and 2nd strings, okay? So your normal E minor with an added 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the 1st string, okay? So it's E minor to a C added 9th, so basically keeping these two fingers where they are, just move your two other fingers to 2nd on the 4th and the 3rd on the 5th, C added 9th, should sound like that, 5 down to 2, okay? So E minor 7th, C added 9th, G, keeping those two fingers where they are again, just play a G, 4-finger G, to do a D. And on this particular song he does a lot of that suspended 4th, pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string, that sort of thing, okay, throughout this song, when he plays a D chord, okay. So, let's go through that again, E minor 7, C added 9th, G, D, suspended again, repeat, bit of a pause, and it comes in with a verse when your face is E minor bare, and where it just repeats the same sequence that we've been playing, okay? Where there's E minor 7 bare, where there's C added 9th, G, where there's out, that pinky again, okay? E minor 7, where there's all the dreams, G, the doubt, you say hell or high water, and I love you just the same. Bring the thunder and watch the sunset drown in rain. This time on the end of the verse he does a constant D chord with a suspension on it, okay? And I'll say hell or high water, C to G, hell or G water, and then a D. Right, so it's hell or high water, you're the one I want with me, you're the flat steps and the fire, just same again, repeat, hell or high water, damn that comes tomorrow, the last line of the verse is just single strokes, okay, on each chord. So the chorus is just basically C to G to D, back to G. C to G, to D, back to G. C to G, to D, back to G. Single strokes on C, because I will give you G, all my love, and God give me to borrow. Okay, got that? So I'll say, hello, Highwater, you're the one I want with me. And the flood sweeps in and the fire rises, and I'll show them all to see. Oh, hell, damn that comes tomorrow, 'cause I will give you all my love, God's given me. And then he goes into the instrumental bit. C with a hammer, open 4th string, hammer into that 2nd fret on the C chord, okay? So it goes into the G, D, G, C with a hammer, it's G, D, G, and then back into another verse, okay, or whatever you call it, verse. So, well, I'll go out on a limb. Got the idea, haven't you? G, E minor 7th again. Go out on a limb till you sink or swim. Got the idea? Just repeats everything again with different words. Okay. So there you have it. That's all I can tell you about that one. Thanks very much for watching, listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.